guys, it's Destiny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey girly, if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a continuing subscriber, hey girly, hey. As y'all can see, I installed me a wig. I am fresh out of retirement because I haven't installed a wig in so long. This hair is from Asteria hair. Just like as my bang wig I did previously. Asteria hair. This is a water wave, 26-inch, 180 density. I will have some clips of me showing you guys of what was in the bag and the information as well. Okay, so as you guys can see, the hair is from Asteria hair, and this is the package that they gave me. No box or anything. This is the wig cap, not my color obviously, and then they gave me 2 headbands. The wig is 26-inch, small cap, and 180% density. And then this is the hair. Water wave is the texture. Straight out the pack, this hair was extremely soft, and I did get some shedding due to it being curly hair. With this style, I did want to do a half up, half down, but since that there's a lace shortage, 13x6 hair on the sides is shorter than normal. So in this clip right here, I already have my hair braided down and everything. I gelled my edges back, and then I put an elastic band on it just to like hold it in place because my hair doesn't do well with gels and stuff. So right now I'm just putting on a wig cap that actually is my skin tone. And then after I get the wig cap fitted on my head, you guys gonna see me cut out my ear tabs. Well, not my ear tabs, you're gonna see me cut out my ears in the wig cap. Okay, so now right here I just put a little bit of makeup on my wig cap, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I really could not find my powder concealer that I usually use, so I had to use liquid foundation, and I really hated that I had to use this because liquid foundation can be really oily when it comes to laying down a wig. So then right here I'm just going to take my Got To Be Free spray and just spray on the wig cap. That is my only method I use to secure my wig cap. I don't put any gels or any lace glue on my wig cap to secure it. This is all I do. So then right here, I'm just going to begin with my eyebrow razor and then cut a slit inside the wig cap, so I can just cut the wig cap down as you guys going to see, so I can just pull it back instead of cutting the whole thing off. I find this way better, and it feels like the wig cap is secured tighter instead of cutting the entire thing off. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense because I suck at explaining stuff. So yeah, And if you see me, keep looking over. I was watching Snowfall. I'm late to the game, so I just started watching it. I was on season 2, so I was really into the show. So if you keep seeing me look over, that is what I was watching, and I apologize if it's a distraction. I can't even talk right now, but yeah, sorry about that. And now, as you can see, I did roll a piece back that I was talking about, and then I'm gonna take the eyebrow razor and then cut the wig cap into my desired shape. I did not record the entire thing. I just showed y'all what I did and how I do it. But I did, do both sides, but I didn't show the entire thing. So in this wig install, we have a company that I am going to be trying out, and that is Ericka J Products. Right here I have the Adhesive Skin Guard, the Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard. I know in the directions it says to use alcohol before you use the skin guard, but I could not find my alcohol at all, so I just had to use the skin guard. And then when I smelt it, the smell kind of took me as a surprise. I did not get the watermelon one to match the lace glue, but the smell, it was kind of strong. It kind of smelled like alcohol, but it didn't. Like drinking alcohol, not rubbing alcohol. So it kind of took me as a surprise when I smelt it, but I just rubbed it on my skin. I did like 2 layers, and then yeah. So right here, I just wanted to show you guys that I did spray my lace with tinted lace spray. This lace spray is by I Am Slayo Bay, the one that has the gummy glue, of course. I've been had her lace spray in the color Toast, and I did this way before I started this video, so I was just telling you guys that is what I used. So right here, as you can see, I was kind of upset at how my lace looked, because when I bleached and plucked it, when I was plucking it, it looked like it was thinning out, so I had stopped plucking it. But while it's on my head, it looks like I didn't pluck it at all, and I really hate when hair does that, like, because I plucked it when it was a little damp, so it kind of looked like I plucked too much. And now that it was on my head, it was like one side was different than the other. Like that side I'm on now looks thicker than the other side. So now I'm just measuring the wig on my head to see where I need to glue it. But I definitely could see that the part was not in the middle at all. After I installed it, it kind of had to switch the part back up. So right now I'm just cutting 3 little slits into the lace, so it will be easier to melt down and glue it down. And then I am using the Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive in the watermelon scent, and y'all, this glue smelled so freaking amazing. And I was surprised at how fast the glue dried. Like, as y'all can see in a few, this glue dries extremely fast. So when it comes to gluing down my wigs, the way I apply my glue, I do not have any like specific direction of where, how I place it. Sometimes I do little dots, sometimes I smear it. So in this case, I just did like little dots across my hairline, close to the cap though. I try to do as little as possible, so I wouldn't have too much glue when I glue it down. And y'all really about to see how fast, I think I included it, of how fast this glue really dries. because once I smeared down one side, the other side was already dry, and I was just looking at it like, oh my god, wow. So at this exact moment, you see that while I'm smearing down this side, you can see the other side is clearing. Like, that glue dried literally in seconds. And y'all, I was just watching Snowfall and I was just shocked at what happened in the show. So please disregard that. Like, look, you can see the glue dried within literally seconds, y'all. Y'all should really invest in this product because this glue is just bomb. Really, really bomb. And I did 2 layers of this glue. 2 layers. So right here, I'm just gonna, lay down the wig. But after this, I'm going to just let the video play because everything after this is pretty much self-explanatory. I just laid the wig down. Put an elastic band over the lace so it can melt faster and easier. And then what did I do after that? And then I just styled the hair after that. So you'll see that everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. And I want to say thank you so much for you guys for watching. If you stayed this long in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles! Okay, you guys, so my camera ended up dying in the middle of me, you know, styling this hair. But all I did was I wet the hair fully. I didn't drench the hair, but I just wet it. And then I put in, where's my mousse? Oh, and then I put in on Jackie's. As you can see, I have a clip of me putting it in my hand, but I made a mistake and put it in there too early. While it was dry, it just wasn't giving me the wet look I wanted to do. So I wet my hair, and then I put a little bit more of this in. It's the On Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. It's for setting curls, waves, coils, and texture hair, and style it into place. So that's pretty much all I did. I tried to do baby hair and then lay them down, but this side wasn't cooperating with me, so I just brushed it back and then left it like this. And then also, as you can see, that it is a white cast, it is a shadow cast on the lace at certain angles. This side is okay, but this side is just not my friend at all. So I tried to do foundation. I tried to do a dark foundation, a light foundation. Nothing is working, so I just left it alone. And then my part wasn't in the middle. Y'all, let me tell y'all how this install has went so wrong. But overall, like, this hair is bomb. Like, look at these curls. Like, do y'all see these curls? This is Asteria hair, 26 inch, 180% density of their water wave. And this is kind of how it dried. Like, my hair is dry. If you guys want a link to this hair, it will be down in the description below. And for this to be 26 inches, I know a lot of companies have 30 inches and it's the same length as this. Like, 30 inches would stop exactly like where this 26 inch is, and I'm 5 foot. 30 inches is like this on me. So you definitely getting your length worth in this hair. So thank you guys for watching. If you stay to the end of this video, I thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see more. If you want to see how I plucked or how I bleach knots, go ahead and comment that down in the description box below, because I promise you guys, I'm a mini Ericka when it comes to installing. It's just that this time it just wasn't it. I struggled a little bit because I haven't worn wigs in almost like 6 months. So yeah, I'm coming out of retirement and I'm getting back in my groove.